Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Monday, so it's Margarete Miller collage time. So the little book's out and I've had a treasure hunt through my stash ready to do the two collages. So we are at week 18 and as usual I'm doing one of the earlier weeks to catch up, and that's week 5. So let's do 18 first today. So week 18 is a name, an animal, a travel item, something black and white, something written or drawn with your non-dominant hand, and the bonus item is a triangle. So I'm all set. I have my little box of goodies here that I have chosen, picked out. So let's see what we've got. We've got a name, and I have Daphne for a name, a little clip from a Daphne's Diary magazine. So we've got that. We've got the animal, which is this monkey. And a travel item, I have a ticket, and what else? Something black and white. I have this piece of ephemera, and something written with your non-dominant hand. And I have written, and you'll probably not be able to make this out, I cannot even hold the pen, because I put it in my hand and I was like, oh, you know what? I can't even do that. Oh my goodness, it was crazy. Anyway, that's it for what it's worth. So I was thinking something like making a little collage. Maybe along those lines, and wanting to be able to see all the bits but keep it overlapped. Just need to figure out, wiggle it about. Let's sit the monkey on the love. Yeah, something like that. So the first layer will stick the ticket down, and I've got my magazine here. Let's get this stuck down about there. And then we want that maybe down a little bit, just to slightly overlap. Yep, that's about the right place. So just above that 6. Take a wee mental note of where it's going to go. I cannot even hold the pen. I thought, what am I going to write with my left hand? And the minute I put the pen in my hand, I thought, oh, that's what I'm going to write. The fact that I can't even hold it properly. I've got a couple of Daphne's Diaries magazines, but you don't get them in the shops anymore here. For a long time, I've not been able to get them. I need to send away for them and subscribe, and I'm not averse to subscribing, but I do, when it comes to magazines, I like to look at the shelves and just take a notion to buy one now and then. But anyway, there's plenty of other magazines, but Daphne's is a really nice one, especially for doing this sort of collage thing. I think, let me get this in the right place so that the monkey's not falling off the page. About there. The monkey is from, let me just show you. I've shown you this before. This Extraordinary Things to Cut Out in Collage, which I have used loads of times. It's a great book to get for these collages. And let's get the monkey down. So I don't have any plans for the rest of the day. I'm doing this on a Sunday, so that I can schedule this video for first thing Monday morning, because I like this to go on at the same time. Let's make sure he's sitting on that. Yeah. So yeah, Sunday, a lazy day today, I think, the rest of the day, once I've done this. I think that's it. I'll just give it all a little pat down. There we are. So we've got a name, a name, Daphne, an animal, a travel item, something black and white, and something written with my non-dominant hand. So there we are. So I'll just date that. Date it for tomorrow, 26. Big day tomorrow. The shops are open. Hospitality's open, but outside hospitality. That didn't really work there. We'll just draw that 6 in. There we are. Sorted. Yep, big day tomorrow. Yeah, but I work on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so we won't be going to the shops till later in the week. So that's 18 done, and we will jump to 5. So 5 is a business card, a sticker, security envelope design, text other than English, a place, and the bonus is textured paper. So we have this little bundle here, and so I have business cards. Let's put that to the side. I've got many nice business cards. Doody dog bandanas. A doody dog is a happy dog. This is Tracy Hay Alpaca Pals stamps. Little stamp store. 3 little boohos, and poor paper, panda pen, and that little one there is Tracy Eason. So I shall put them to the side because I have already picked out this one, Amber Hound. I quite liked the greyhound on it. Products for hound, human and home. Amber Hound, and that's where I think we bought Millie's collars. So right, a business card, a sticker. I've got this butterfly sticker, security envelope. I have this security envelope. I tried to coffee dye this, and tip is coffee dye won't work on a blue envelope. It just goes really doesn't work. The blue is too blue, but I've got a bit of the inside, the security envelope, and text other than English. I have this. and a place. I have this map, which is from my new book that I showed in my haul video the other day. This, the new decoupage book. So I cut that out of that. And the butterfly is from the antiquarian sticker book. And I simply cut round the butterfly, cut it out, and then I just trim off the, yeah, there look. So I just cut the whole thing out and then cut the trim off, because they come with a little border and I quite like it having the border off. And I picked that butterfly because it matched the orange and the card here. Right, so we've got a place, which is Scotland, of course. So Scotland, and we've got this, put this down here I think, and we have put that maybe on the top there. And we have our, where will we put that? About there and there. I think we'll go with that. So the first piece is this down the bottom. So while I'm sticking this down, I'd like to say a huge hello to my new subscribers. I am absolutely over the moon that you leave lovely comments to say that you like what I'm doing, and even just oh, it's just so wonderful to get nice comments, and it just makes my day. It truly does. I'm going to put this one down next. I'm absolutely over the moon that the numbers are growing a little, and everybody's enjoying what they see. It makes it all worthwhile. And then I know I'm not just in here talking to myself. And you know, I wanted that down a bit further. Quickly, and down. There we are. Yeah, so, oh, it's great. Really good. Yep, up a bit with that one. Yeah, I think hubby's getting fed up. He's like, oh, like, you don't need to tell me every time there's a new subscriber. I'm like, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, I made that a bit dirty. I think I'm needing a new wee cloth. And of course, ooh, this. That's perfect. Ah, yeah, I think I might need to get back onto Etsy. Contact Amber Hound, get Millie a new collar for the summer. The one she's been using has been getting used all winter, so I like to get her a new one. I'm going to have a wee square there. Oh no, it doesn't matter, because you know what? That's where the butterfly will go. I don't like these little spaces in a collage that you end up with. Try to avoid these odd spaces, but perfect. Now, come on. I need to use the and that's the only thing about stickers. Sometimes that's it. You just can't get. There we are. And that looks perfect for a pop of colour. think my battery's gone. Oh, I thought my battery had gone there. Am I still on? Yeah, I think I'm still on. Sorry about that. I just looked at the phone and there was a wee message saying there was low battery. So I better rush and get this finished. Get the date on it and then I can be off. That's what I get for blethering. Let's put the date there. And I don't think the 6 is working on that wee date stamp. There. Okay. Oh, I hope this is recorded, otherwise I'll just need to do a show and tell for these 2 weeks. So there we have it. That's week 5 and week 18. Right, thanks for joining me today and I'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.